Hello, this is Piper, and today I'm doing some renovations. So I got my drill, I got my extinguisher, just in case, you never know. This is the office kitchen, and like every office kitchen, well, it makes some noises. But since those are super old, I put these little plug things. But actually they're not really working. So I bought this thing on Amazon. It's supposed to be a sort of cheap damper. I got everything I need right here. So let's test this together. I'm gonna put some double face tape right on it so that I can stick it on there and not quite mind the fact that I need to hold two parts at the same time and I'm alone, you see? So double face tape goes on here. It's supposed to be pretty close to the cabinet so that when you go like this, it closes. But the other thing is, I don't want it to get caught in the door, so I think this is a good angle. Let's put this on here. Oh, what you didn't see is I tried with some Gorilla Glue. Did not work out, huh? If I put it here. Alright, let's just test it out. Not really having any effect. Let's move it a bit closer. That should be almost good. This is gonna be too close. It's gonna get caught in the door. So what about here? Yeah, about here. Okay. Come on, you can hold. I got some screws. I got two just in case. Let's put one in here. Okay. You see the angle? See? That's what happened. Okay, we start over. We can do this. Put lids on your food while you do it, just in case. Okay, this is good. Here we go. Where's the hole? Oh yeah, it's right there. Okay. Patient. Come on, you can do it. Oh. Can I go deeper a little bit? Okay. I think this is the maximum. Is it better? You tell me in the comment section. Gotta go wash my hands.